Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to recover access to your bitcoin.com wallet if you have forgotten your password. Start by opening the bitcoin.com wallet application on your phone. You will land on the login screen. Bitcoin.com uses Google or email sign-in, so you don't need a traditional password. Just tap the method you used when you first signed in. If you used your Google account, just tap on Sign in with Google. If you used your email, enter your email address. Tap on the arrow button at the right. Then check your mailbox for one-time login link from bitcoin.com. Now tap the link. This will securely log you into your wallet without needing a password. If you have lost access to your email or Google account, you cannot recover your wallet unless you backed it up with your 12-word recovery phrase. To restore a wallet, install the app, go to your home page, and tap on Wallets. Scroll down, tap on Add/Import button. Tap on Import Wallet again. Here, enter your 12-word recovery phrase. This phrase is your true backup. Keep it safe and never share it. And that's how you recover your bitcoin.com wallet. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.